What you doing?
Oh, I'm editing a video for the next YouTube upload.
When are you going grocery shopping?
For the dinner party?
Yeah.
In a few days, I think Wednesday is a good time.
Okay, well don't forget the garnish. Something green. Chive, green onion, or parsley.
No, I won't forget. I'll remember.
Okay. What you doing?
Oh, I'm having my morning coffee.
The party's tomorrow.
Yes, it is.
Don't forget the garnish. Something green. Parsley, chive, or green onion.
No, I won't forget. Like I said, you told me yesterday. I won't forget. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I do really appreciate it.
What you doing?
I'm just recording an intro for the next YouTube video for my legions of YouTube fans and followers.
The party's today.
Yes, I'm aware.
Don't forget the garnish. Something green. Green onion, chive, or parsley.
Okay, look, you've told me a million times. I'm not gonna forget. I'm gonna get it, okay? So I got all of our essentials, including the Kleenex, but for the party itself, I got everything. I got the broth, I got the Korean barbecue sauce, I got Tabasco, nothing but the best.
Where's the garnish?
The garnish is... Son of a bitch! Yo everybody, thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome back to Pro Cooking Tips at Home. So here's the deal, we've all been there. We forgot a key ingredient, we ran out of a key ingredient when we're making a special dish. So the question is, what do you do? So we are gonna find a way to improvise. We're gonna put the green back on the scene with this new garnish hack. See ya. Here we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. Now in my fridge, we always have baby spinach leaves. We use it for salad, it's great. So I'm going to show you a little trick here that you can do with spinach leaves to make a nice little garnish for any dish that you're doing. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a chiffonade cut. So what that basically means is we're going to wrap something and do a specific cut to it, and it's going to look so beautiful on a dish. So I'm just going to take a bunch of these leaves, these spinach leaves. Beautiful, gorgeous, yummy, tasty, beautiful. All right. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so we're gonna have this. We're gonna take this and we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna roll it, like a cigar. If you ever YouTube how to make a cigar on YouTube, we'll show you, and it's exactly how you do this. You wrap it like this. Or if you're, trying to wrap something a little bit more recreational. I don't know. I don't want to say anything. I'm not too familiar with YouTube rules, so I think we'll just stick with the notion that we have an understanding there. Okay, sorry, I messed that up. Okay, unfolded that. All right, so here we go. So we're just gonna wrap it up like this. Again, always make sure that your fingers are tucked in. Now we're just gonna do a little cut like this. Look at that. And so, assuming that you had something here, or you can even use this as a base as you want. Everyone's always putting like parsley on top, but you can always use it as a base too, and then like kind of plop a steak on there. But remember, just look at that. That's a beautiful garnish. Now, if you put this with something, no one's gonna know the difference. Like, they really won't. Okay guys, so you saw how beautiful the cutting board looked when I was just sprinkling that chiffonade cut spinach leaves, but you can't really gauge and see how beautiful it is unless it's on a dish. And I guarantee you no one's gonna know the difference whether it's parsley or spinach leaf that's beautifully sprinkled all over that dish. So let me insert a few pictures here that you can see and how gorgeous it can really look. So earlier in the year, I learned how to do Cantonese chow mein, right? Chinese food has been getting really expensive where I am, so I figured, you know what, I'm a cook. Or I'll just learn how to do it myself. So I did. So here's a picture of the first one I did with the chiffonade cut of the spinach leaves right here. I also did a bone marrow plate. It was beautiful, it was gorgeous. I'm going to show you, it's right over here.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video, and I hope you loved watching it as much as I love creating it for you. Another great garnish hack. And if you haven't seen the one that I did before on the parsley one, the parsley garnish hack, I will leave that in the description for you. Again, I really do appreciate it. And if you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up. We would really appreciate it. And consider subscribing. And we'd love to have you aboard. And hit that notification bell so you know when these videos are coming up. Again, I really do appreciate you taking the time to click on this video. Hope to see you again. So until next time.